Hello, today I will be bringing you this very awesome, incredible 1080p sports camera. The GoPro style sports camera. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is seriously, it's incredible stuff right here, guys. This is obviously an unboxing, as you can see. And I don't know if you can see this very well, but it is 1080p plus waterproof. Video is 1280 to 720 pixels, 30 frames per second. Super wide angle lens, 140 degrees. You got waterproof up to 30 m. You got a 2-inch LCD screen. It is multi-language. Stores micro SD HC card not included. Your battery is 900 mAh, 1.5 hours. Your input and your output is micro USB. This is incredible. So without any further ado, let's get into this package. So let's open up the package. And let's see what we all get in this package right here. Yeah, put that down. Okay, here you have all your attachments. You got your USB cord right here, which I've already taken out. You have your straps. I believe these looks like your straps right here. This is to connect to a tripod, and it's got two things right there. This is a bicycle mount. So if you got a bicycle, you are athletic, or you are adventurous, or you go to the extreme, and you like to videotape your adventures. This is what you connect to your bike right here. Another connector that can connect to a bike or to whatever. And you have another attachment of some kind. Here is the real star of the whole kit and caboodle. Right here. It is in its protective case. To turn it on, you just hit this button right here. And you have power. This is incredible. This is amazing. To open up the case, to get it out, you just push on this latch right here. With big fingers, this is not an easy thing to do. And you push up, just like that. And you take it out of its waterproof casing. And out of its waterproof casing, this is what it looks like. This is really, really cool. To go into your settings, you hit OK. No, actually, take that back. I'm learning this camera for the first time, guys. This is how you record. I am recording right now. And I'm recording myself right now, actually. And this is how you record. Very cool. And to stop, you just hit that button right there. To go into the settings, you just hit this button right here. There, you're on and off. And you can go into your camera, into your playback. And right here you have resolution, date and time, motion detection, audio, EV, and you got all kinds of stuff in here. You got resolution, fast view, let's see, display pictures, delete, lock, volume, format, language setting, auto power off, screen savers. You have reset system, frequency, time setting, video rotate. Wow, this is really cool right here, guys. My only issue is what you can see right here. This wasn't exactly 100% powered charged, but when I had it charged 100%, just recording it I don't know why, but it eats up your battery. That could be normal. This is my first GoPro sports camera. I really don't know. If any of you are experts at this, please let me know. But it seems really quite strange and odd and bizarre that this would go down. Your battery would be drained really quick and fast. Just after a few seconds of use, which is odd. Really odd. Strange. Here are some video footage that I shot with it earlier. Shooting outside with my GoPro sports camera. 1080p picture. Now for the underwater test. Here's the footage that I just got today. Here is your controls right here for your focus, your tight in and your wide out, or your controls for your settings that I was showing you before. I was using these controls to go through the settings. Also right here on the other side is where your slot for your 32 gigabyte micro SD card goes into. You got your HDMI cable right there and your USB connector to connect to your computer right here. So if you are adventurous, if you like going to the extreme, if you like doing, if you get and you do all sorts of kind of really fun activity and you want to document it with this camera, this is the camera for you. I don't know about the battery time, but this is definitely the camera for you. I would definitely recommend this to anyone. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.